Hi, my name is Mary Cullen and welcome to your 7-minute 7 days chair yoga journey. Today is day 6 and it's just stretch. So that's the theme of today. Obviously what that means, right? We're just going to stretch out our body. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Let's get started. Let's start with our neck. So interlace your hands, bring it underneath your chin, take a breath in, exhale, tilt your head back and stretch your neck back. Elbows up. One more inhale, and exhale, come back down, and now bring your hands behind your neck. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round in and tuck your chin in, pull your belly in as well. Feel the stretch in your neck and a little bit also in your back. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Now place your right hand onto your left ear. Extend your left arm out. Take a breath in. Exhale, assisted stretch to your right side. Soften your shoulder. One more inhale. One more exhale. And slowly come back out and switch. So bring your left hand around your right ear. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, assisted stretch over to your left side. And then extend your arm. One more inhale. One more exhale. And slowly come back out of this grip. Cool. Now bring your right arm across your chest and hook your left elbow around and stretch into it. Find a fist so you can engage more energy. I hope you can still hear me. Nice stretch for your rotator cuffs, your deltoids. And let's switch. You choose however far you want to go and what feels good. Just stretch. Cool, release. Now interlace your hands behind your back and then come around on your right side. So it's like that. And then soften your right shoulder down. Reach up through your sternum, press down through your feet. Take a breath in, lift up. Exhale, bring your hands a little more forward and around. Melt your shoulders down. And then slowly switch over to your left side. If you want to, you can switch your clasp. And then soften your left shoulder down. Take a breath in, reach up through the crown of your head. Exhale, melt your shoulders down your back a little more. And then come a little more round. Nice. One more inhale. Exhale, release. And come onto your side of your chair so you have a little room behind you. Interlace your hands again for chest expansion grip. Now inhale, reach up through your heart. Exhale, lean a little back and then pull down as much as it feels good. So much so that you still roll your shoulders down your back. So maybe you want to lean back a little more, you choose, but keep your core strong, please. Push your bones forward, option to gaze up, and I always keep a light bend in my elbows. One more inhale, and exhale, slowly come back up. Release your hands, maybe shake out your arms. You did so much work already here. Cool. Now extend your right leg forward and either you grab onto your right calf or you want to grab onto your right tippy toes. If you do so, you can always still keep a light bend in your knee. And to root down through your left heel, lift up your heart, pull your navel in. Take a breath in here, extend your leg even more. Stay for your exhale, melt your shoulders down. One more inhale. Exhale, figure four. Place your right leg on top of your left knee. Yes. And now slowly twist over to your right side. So hook your right arm around your chair and press into your left leg. Take a deep full breath in. Exhale, twist gently over to your right side. Keep your toes flexed, your heart open, your shoulders soft. One more inhale. Exhale, come back forward, and now imagine you're hanging out at a bar. So you're just like lounging here. And maybe you want to add and just be like, well, can I have an apple juice, please? And maybe you want to even become more loosey-goosey around in this. Feel the stretch in your outer left, actually your outer right hip. And roll yourself back up and switch. Now extend your left leg out. Again, you can grab onto your calf or your outside of your foot or your toes. Take a deep inhale, lengthen up, reach up through your heart. Stay for your exhale. Pull your belly button in. One more breath in. Exhale, figure four. Place your left leg on top of your right. And now slowly we're twisting over to the left. So hook your left elbow around your chair. And then use your left hand to pull yourself a little more over to your side. When you do so, keep your chest lifted, your shoulders soft. One more breath in. Exhale, come forward and just hang out again. It's just a bar, right? We're just hanging out here. Melting into this. And then if you want to, you can hang down even more. Light tofu. And slowly roll yourself back up. Bring your foot down. Hi, babies. Take a deep inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Namaste.